How to show specific BuddyPress Profile Fields Meta to the profile header. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to show specific BuddyPress Profile Fields Meta to the profile header. By default, BuddyPress does not offer this feature. But you can set it up with only a few clicks. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the search bar, then install and activate it. Once Youzify is active, please go to Youzify panel, Profile Settings, and then Header Settings. And then scroll down to Header Meta Settings or Vertical Header Meta, depending on the header layout you selected. Select the meta you want to show on the profile header. You also can select the icons you want. And then save the settings page. Let's see the result. The profile fields meta now shows on the profile header. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.